everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about why PayPal is not accepting your debit card. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing you want to do is that actually open up the PayPal app, and you can actually want to click in the top left hand corner of the screen. These three lines up there, and once you click on that you will be brought to the menu page, or from here you can scroll down a little. Just want to click on the add bank and the card option. Now if you already tried your debit card with a credit card or any card that's not working, you still want to click on this option. When you click on this, we can actually click on the debit card or the credit card or any of these cards option. We can actually scan your card or enter your info or log in with your bank account. If your card is actually linked to a bank account, which it should be, and once you enter in your card number, let's just say I have entered my card number, is still not working, what you're going to want to do is that your card is probably out of the date, meaning it's expired in a certain year or is about to expire, or your bank account actually think it's not you or is holding bank is basically freezing your card. So you basically want to contact your bank or just log into your banking app. Just tell the app or AI assistant on the app your banking card that you are basically trying to use your card on the PayPal and this is not a fraudulent transaction, because they are thinking it's fraudulent transaction at the moment. So you basically click on the link, and yeah, this will allow you to actually fix your error of your card not working on PayPal. That's it.